Choo choo choo, the animal train is here. All my friends are coming near. Lions roar and monkeys play. Let's hop aboard and ride away. Choo choo choo, the animal train. Friends and fun all on the train. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Every little ride is super sweet. First stop now, the lion's car. King of the jungle, big and star. Roar, roar, and join the fun. The animal train has just begun. Choo choo choo, the animal train. Laugh and play again and again. Wave hello and sing along. The animal train is strong and long. Next is the monkey swinging high, jumping and laughing, reaching the sky. Ooh, and shouts with glee. Climb aboard and dance with me. Here comes the elephant, big and gray, trumpeting loudly along the way. Splash in the puddle, stomp and play. The animal train is here to stay. Puff, 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 the engine goes. Ding, 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 the bell all blows. Animals laughing all around. Fun and joy are here to be found. Don't forget the parrot, green and bright, squawking hello with all its might. All aboard, it's time to ride. The animal train is a joyful guide. Choo choo, the animal train. Friends together again and again. Wave goodbye and shout hooray. We'll ride the animal train another day. Choo choo, the world train is here. Come aboard, the sky is clear. Travel far and travel wide. See the wonders on each side. Around the world, the train goes soon. Past the deserts, hills and blooms. Wave your hands and sing along. The world train takes us all along. First stop now, the desert sand. Camels walking across the land. Pyramids rise up to the sky. Wave hello as we pass by. Around the world, the train goes soon. Past the oceans, under the moon. Clap your hands and shout hooray. We're exploring lands today. Next stop now, a snowy place. Penguins waddle at a fun pace. Igloos shining in the sun. Sliding, gliding, everyone. Puff, 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 the engine goes. Ding, 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 the bell all glows. Through jungles, rivers, and seas so blue, the world train brings joy to you. Mountains high and valleys low. Cherry blossoms, rivers flow. Different foods, different songs. Learning cultures all day long. Choo choo, around the world train. Riding happy once again. Wave goodbye, we'll ride some more. The world train opens every door.
Choo choo, choo choo, choo 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 choo, choo choo, choo choo, choo 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 choo. Choo choo, the sleepy train is here.
Whoa, wait,
Gliding softly, don't you fear.
don't you fear?
Moon is shining, star so bright.
It's so bright.
Time to cuddle, say goodnight.
Whoa, wait.
Choo choo choo, the night train rides through the dreams where magic hides. Close your eyes and snuggle tight. Sleepy train will guide you tonight. First stop now, the quiet tree. Leaves are whispering, sleep with me. Owls are hooting, soft and low. The train moves gently, slow, slow, slow. Choo choo the night train ride, through the dreams where magic hides. Close your eyes and snuggle tight. Sleepy train will guide you tonight. Next is the river, sparkling blue, reflecting stars for me and you. Frogs are resting, fish asleep. The night is calm, the world is deep. Puff, 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 the engine hums. Ding, 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 the soft bell drums, rocking gently side to side. Sleepy train takes you on a dreamy ride. Little bunnies in their beds, sleepy heads in tiny treads. The train moves on through moonlit skies, guiding dreams as eyeless eyes. Choo-choo, good night, my friend. This sleepy train has reached the end. Dream sweet dreams and rest your head. The night train whispers, time for bed. Choo-choo, choo-choo.